Hey guys, Troy here with Affiliate Marketing University, and in today's video I'm going to show you a free method on how you can begin to build a passive $50 to $100 a day into your affiliate marketing business. If you want to figure out exactly how we do that, then stay tuned. We're getting right into it. Alright, welcome back to the video. Just want to say, I know I've been gone for a little while. I've been taking care of business. I've been working on some other projects. I'm actually going to talk about what I'm doing today in this video, but don't worry, I'm back. I'm giving more value. I'm going to start making more videos to add value to this community because this is what I'm invested in. All right, today in this video, like I said, I'm going to show you a free way to begin to build a passive, I say $50 to $100 a day, could be more, it depends, but something that's realistic, right? And I'm going to show you the exact website that I use, that you can begin to use today, even starting today, and begin to use this method and build it out. All right, so if you haven't heard of this website that's on the screen, the website is called Udemy or however you want to pronounce that, but I call it Udemy, and it is a fantastic website. It's all about courses. I believe Udemy is the #1 online learning platform in the world. So they have some rank, they have some authority, especially in Google. If you go to Google and type in affiliate marketing and course, which I did already, and if you go up, so I typed in affiliate marketing course, they're always going to be on the front page. You see they're already on the front page right here. That's an ad actually, but if you go down, they're going to have an organic listing right there, right? So they have a lot of pull, they have a lot of authority. Their Alexa rank is very high. And so this site really gets a lot of traffic. Why does that matter? Well, that matters because this is the site that I'm going to show you how to use, again, to begin to build out this passive income. So just to kind of go through Udemy real quick, if I do affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing. Let me do this right, spell it right. All right, so if I do affiliate marketing, and you're going to be able to see all the courses here on Udemy that have to do with affiliate marketing, and so on and so forth. But what's important is I want you to see the different ratings. I mean, these courses have hundreds, if not thousands, of ratings for each course. And so there are a lot of people here taking courses on pretty much anything imaginable. Anything you can think of, there's probably a course for it on Udemy. So I'm going to show you something real quick, which is very unique and which is really cool. You can go to here, the section where it says filters, ratings, and duration, right? You can filter videos, excuse me, not videos, but courses according to these different filters. So if I click here, I can see within affiliate marketing, there's affiliate marketing in and of itself. There's 168 courses. Amazon affiliate marketing, 25. ClickBank affiliate marketing has 25. So all these are different affiliate marketing courses, but there's subcategories also, right? But if I look at this section right here where it says price, it says there are 279 paid courses, but only 36 free courses. This is where the magic happens. 36 free courses? I mean, that's not a lot of courses, and affiliate marketing is a massive niche. I mean, it is growing by the day, and there's only 36 free courses. So the strategy I'm showing you is a way to growth hack your way to success by using the section or the free section in Udemy, and using that to leverage free traffic, right? So free section, let's click on that real quick. Let's filter all of these courses by free, and let's look at some of these free courses and see what other people are putting out there for their courses. All right, so we see right here it says 36 free courses, right? 36 free courses, and I clicked on something, so let's go back. 36 free courses, regular courses, and you'll see all the courses here that are free, right? From the top courses all the way through, and look at these courses. I mean, they're not just, you know, getting some traffic, they're getting a lot of traffic. This is a free course right here. This one here, let's click on this one. 14 authority sites for learning affiliate marketing. They have 15,000 students, okay? In a free course, 15,000 students, 4.1 rating. So what's cool about Udemy also, you can see the different types of ratings. You can see customer reviews or student reviews, really. You can see if it's a good course, if it's not a good course, but what people are talking about the course or how it's rated, right? Very important, especially if you want to come here and learn things by yourself, take courses yourself, which I also encourage. So let's go through, right? There are I think there's 3 pages. If I click on the second page, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. And yep, that's where it starts to go into different languages. We're sticking with English courses. So let's go to the last one that's in English here. All right, so it's a new course. Only has an hour of content, has 3 ratings so far, but let's see how many students it has. And this is where really gets cool. 671 students. Now that new means that this course was probably created within the last 30 days. And in 30 days, they've already got 671 students. They got a 4.7 star rating, right? And so they're already building an audience. This is what this is about, guys. Building an audience. Your brand, your expertise, you put it on Udemy, and people, because Udemy does so great with its advertising and promotion, they're driving traffic. People are finding you, finding your course, learning from you, and you are building your audience. They are getting to know, like, and trust you. So let's go back. That's the last one. Now imagine, right, if we go up and we go to, let's see, some of these other ones that are new, right? Let's click on this one. This one's still new. Internet Marketing Success. 1 hour of content. 1,754 students within probably the last 30 days, guys. There's a lot of traffic. Now, why this matters is because Udemy allows you to email your students up to 4 times a month. Okay, that's powerful. They allow you to email them with some type of content upgrade. It's got to be free, and that's okay. We're marketers, right? We're skilled. We know what we're doing. So we're going to give them a content upgrade that's going to either be linked to the YouTube channel where we have our other lead magnet that's going to get them on our list. We can send them to another free offer. We can do anything we want with this. Think about it. If you had 1,700 people that you could email right now with a free offer, say you had a lead magnet and that was linking to your autoresponder, your email list, you're going to be able to get a lot of those people on your email list, guys. This is free traffic. This is leveraging Udemy to be able to build your audience. And later on, you know, with those people on your list, they're going to get to know, like, and trust you. You're going to be able to recommend premium products, and you're going to get to that $50 to $100 a day, no problem. And there's no limit to the amount of courses that you can put out. There's some people that have dozens of free courses and tens of thousands, if not 100,000 students, all students that they're able to email. It's ridiculous, guys, the power. If you had 100,000 people at your fingertips to email some type of free content upgrade to build your list, you're going to be making a ton of money. So trust me, guys, this method works. And just to show you that I'm actually practicing what I preach, this is my course that I created on Udemy this month. You can see it says last updated was at 10/29, so that was this month. Look how many students I already have within probably the last 3 weeks, right? 2,118 students. I have a 4.0 rating. So the course, you know, it's at least decent. There's 11 ratings, right? And they're going up. And I converted. What's cool about it also, if you're creating a free course, you can convert it to paid. I converted this to paid, right? And you can begin to make money by allowing Udemy to promote it for you. So I'm showing you guys a fantastic strategy on how to be able to drive free traffic to a free course, build your audience for free, drive that traffic to a YouTube channel or a squeeze page where you're offering something away for free and building that list. So on Udemy, they all break it down. You can see the different course structure, all the different modules inside of the course, all the different lectures. There's always going to be a free preview of the course right there, right? And there's so much you can do. Now, what I'm going to show you a way to monetize this, which I'm going to log into my account and show you how I laid out my course. Now, guys, if you're liking this right now, give this a thumbs up, right? Begin to comment, because when I was shown this method, it just blew me away. I just didn't know that this was even possible, right? So let me refresh this again. All right, so let me log into my account, and it's going to show me my back office, like as instructor here. And it's going to show you your courses. It's going to show you your students, right? It's going to show you courses you're working on. I'm actually working on a couple of courses here. Shows you that course right there. Also, it allows you in here communication, right? Different types of communication, question and answer, messages, different messages. These are all the people that are signed up for the course. Let's send out announcements, right? So this is the email part where you can begin to send out the emails to your different students. question and answers where you can interact with them. There's so much to it, guys, and the way you do it is you model yourself after other successful people. So say you don't have an expertise that much in affiliate marketing or any really arena, what you can do, this is why this method is so beautiful, is that you can always just go back to any of these categories here. Say you're in business, you want to be in entrepreneurship, you can go into here and you can just begin to take free courses on Udemy. Take really good notes, right? Watch and see how these people are structuring their courses and begin to build out your own course that way. I mean, this is that simple, guys. So now we're in entrepreneurship. If I just scroll down, right, do the same thing I did before, filter this, right? There's actually 314 paid or freed ones, so there's a lot more competition than just general entrepreneurship, right? But if I narrow it down, right, to let's say, online business, click that there, right? In online business, there is only 7 free courses. That means I can immediately create a course on online business and begin to drive a crazy amount of traffic, right? But if I just go in here, look at the free ones, and press done, and we're going to look, and these are all the free ones. I can study these, say, hey, these guys are doing it. This guy's got 386 ratings. I can click on him right there, open up the course. He's got 18,000 students, right? 18,000 people that he has access to be able to email 4 times a month to some other content upgrade where he can begin to make money with. Is powerful. You do the same thing. Model yourself after his course. Say you take this one, take really good notes, see his structure, and just begin to build out your own and do the exact same thing. You're going to get a ton of students. I was able to do that, get couple thousand students in the first month. This is a great strategy, and like I said, you're going to funnel these people to some other content upgrade where you're going to be able to build that list and recommend premium products. And like I said, you're going to get to that $50 to $100 a day. I don't want to make this video that long, but this is the method. I'm going to go in more detail on exactly how I can break down the strategy, show you guys how to get into different niches, also show you guys how to monetize your free courses, which I was able to do. I've already made profit with that, and I'm going to show you how to do that inside of your course. It's a real guerrilla ninja tactic that works really, really well. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found value, subscribe to the channel. We always give great content, great value. I'm showing you what I'm doing, right? I'm showing you strategies that work, that other people are doing, and that's what really matters. Comment on the video. I want to know what you guys think about it. Is it something that you've already known? Did you learn something? Or if you're already doing this, what's some strategies that you are doing that can help other people out? Like the video too. That helps out my channel. That helps out the algorithm on YouTube. So that other people can find the content also. And join the community of Affiliate Marketing University, the site where we do this all the time and we're always adding value, showing you guys how to do the real stuff, right? The stuff that the gurus aren't showing you how to do, but real guerrilla tactics on how to drive. This is a free method on how to drive free traffic to a course that you create for free, right? And you can begin to monetize the audience that you have built on here, and begin to make that $50 to $100 a day. Okay, we'll see you guys on the next video, and you guys keep crushing it online. Take care.